Allah has no partners. Allah is absolutely one. From eternity to eternity, if you go back in time, there is only Him, the one. If you go forward in time, there is only Him, the one. Now the meaning of being one is that He has no equal in any attribute, no counterpart, no resemblance, no match. Now, for example, among humans, someone might be described as unique in this era, one of a kind. But you say, this person is one in intelligence, another is one in strength, another is one in horseback riding, and another is one in some other skill. That is, among 7.5 billion people in the world, a person might be unique in one attribute and only he might possess it. That is fine. But does he have counterparts in other aspects? Many. He has counterparts in every other way. He has 2 hands and so does another. He has 2 eyes and so does another. Even if he has no counterpart in one aspect, this does not make him absolutely one. What is it? He is unique in that aspect. But can you say that Allah is one in only that aspect? Allah is one in every aspect. He has no counterpart in any way. This creature may be unique in one aspect, but did it come into existence on its own? Does a mushroom grow on its own? If there is no soil, no water, no fire, no temperature in the air, no humidity, etc., will mushrooms grow? That's why they say the most about mushrooms, that they grow by themselves. But mushrooms don't grow by themselves either. Allah's creation exists through the opportunities He has provided. So now, if you attribute uniqueness to someone in a particular aspect, that quality did not come from themselves. That attribute did not originate from them. Allah created it, granted it, gave them strength, gave them intelligence, gave them memory, provided the materials, created the causes, and they advanced in a certain aspect. They advanced in one aspect. But Allah is absolutely one in every way. He is unique in all beauties. On the other hand, the person you claim to be unmatched in one aspect is weak, helpless, and in need of food. He needs to relieve himself, both in major and minor ways. Does Allah have any needs? Then how can there be anyone like Allah? Therefore, we should understand oneness in this way. Absolute, unconditional oneness belongs only to Allah. Uniqueness belongs only to Allah.